What's up, what's up? I hope everybody is having a really good day. So in this video, we're gonna take you back in time a couple months. So I had all kinds of video of us demoing the house that never has been on YouTube yet. You kind of see it was like, had a video, walked around the house, and all of a sudden, poof, house tore apart. So it was on an iPad and iPhone and Google Drive and OneDrive and SD cards and just all over the place. So a little more organized now. There is some video we did not shoot, which I wish we had, like where we're taking down the addition, things like that. But this is a little bit of entertainment. So in the beginning, there's gonna be a little bit where I'm kind of walking around the house, we're talking about all the stuff we're gonna do and how this is the worst part of the house and this is going here and there. None of that's happening anymore. So funny, just shows you how things change. And then we're gonna kind of speed up the video and go through some of the demo process where you guys can see how, y'all can all see how that happened. And hope you enjoy it. All right, this is day 2 of being on the farm and getting some stuff done. And this is the original farmhouse to the property, built in 1910. The porch was added later, but it has some pretty cool architecture to it. We're gonna be taking those cameras down, cleaning up, tossing stuff, etc., etc., etc. Some neat things that I always liked about coming out here, the original grounding cables. Thought that was pretty neat. The original well's still out here. That's over there, and you can see that in the distance. We gotta fill that in. Here, you got, they put these ceilings in, of course, to lower the ceiling, help with keeping heat in, those kind of things. But we're taking all those out and going to the original, so we can see the original ceiling. Let's see if I can turn it on. Nope. So anyway, I'll do some more filming of that stuff. So we're doing those. Then the walls.
I have your drink here.
Oh, good, I need it. Yeah, and who was here previously kind of painted all the walls are painted weird colors, but they painted the floor too, so we'll be testing for lead today, and then those will get sanded and hopefully be decent where we can just finish them, we'll see. But all this getting torn out, this whole center area is going to be split into 2 bathrooms and 2 closets. So this will be a bedroom back here, and then the blue room I'll walk through will be a bedroom. And then this over here was an addition. That's all getting torn off and redone because it's just, this is the worst part of the house. The ceiling panels, the flooring, it's just, this is the area that's real rough. This probably used to be the side porch. So anyway, this will get torn down. We're gonna save all the wood though that we can, and then build a new section over here for the kitchen living room area. And there you go, that's it. So we'll do some more updates, things, as we go. thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a like. Subscribe if you want to see more. There's going to be a little more in detailed videos of things as we put the house back together, and of course there'll be farming stuff with the chickens and we have ducks now, and all kinds of different content, and there's going to be also some cool stuff with the AV and things for the house. That's kind of what I do for a profession. So stick around, hope you do, and see you next time.